On YouTube, welcome back to my channel. On this video, I wanted to share 3 reasons why I think you shouldn't go into engineering at all. As always, if you found this video helpful, beneficial, make sure you hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's get right into it. 3 reasons why you shouldn't go into engineering. Okay, reason number 1, you think that it's going to be easy. Okay, money. You think that's going to be easy money. On average, engineers do earn more. They earn more than the median income, of course. In America, on average, right? Engineers' income is greater than the American median income. That's true. However, if you think that going to engineering is an easy way to make money, that's definitely not true. Engineers, they are tested every day. They are relied upon by their employers and their teams to make decisions, to perform tasks that have an impact on their employer, on the products and the services that their employer provide, on the client, and on the economy as well. So if you think that's going to be, once you get your degree or you go into engineering thinking, oh, it's just going to be easy money, that's definitely further from the truth, because you start out, you still have to learn the product, the engineering, and the concepts behind whatever your employer provides, right? So you have to understand that that's gonna be very testing, right? It's gonna be like take another course, and then even after you understand that, you're gonna be relied upon consecutively and frequently to do things that will test you, challenge your abilities, and also provide solutions. So is it good money? Yes. Is it does it provide a good income? Absolutely. Is it easy money? Definitely not. Every dollar that you make will be earned, that's for sure. Reason number 2, you think that you can work alone and won't have to work with or interact with other people. That's reason number 2. You think that you can just work by yourself alone and do not have to have any sort of human interaction whatsoever. This is also not the case. Now, of course, the scale and the frequency at which you interact with other people is going to be dependent upon your roles and responsibilities and the dynamic in your team, right? And the makeup of the team in your wherever you work at, in your industry, in your company. However, like I mentioned earlier, your employer is going to rely on you for services that you're providing for a client, for an end user, externally, but also the service or the product that you're providing might depend on interaction and input from a lot of other people, right? So in an engineering department, you might have some engineers who specialize in mechanical, material science, right? And then you might have others who are working on the electronics aspect of it, or the electrical engine aspect of it, or the controls aspect of it. And then you might have another team that's working on maybe the integration aspect of it, right? So all of these teams, they work hand in hand, they come together, they meet. So you're going to be internally, you're going to have to sometimes share and discuss and present your work. Externally, you might have to do the same. Sometimes you might have to troubleshoot a problem for a client, right? Or help address a problem for a client. It's all gonna depend on your own responsibility, right? When you have an opportunity to go in front of the classroom, right, or present an idea or a concept, or do group presentation, don't shy away from it, because you're going to have to do it professionally anyway. Just get comfortable doing it. Practice. The more you practice this, the easier it is going to become. That's reason number 3. You think that's going to be easy just because you are good at math. Now, of course, a lot of people, especially if you're in high school right now, you might have the misconception, okay, you're good at math. And actually, that's one of the reasons why a lot of people go into engineering, right? They like doing math, they're good at it. They're like, okay, well, am I just going to engineering? Sure, yes. Does it help? Yes, especially on the math subjects that you're going to have to take anyways, calculus, differential equations, some of us linear algebra. So does it help? Absolutely, right? However, that's not alone, that's not enough, right? So the engineering curriculum is designed to be hard. It's designed to test you and stress you, no matter your background, no matter what knowledge you have in the past, right? It's going to challenge you, and it's not just one class that adds on to the load. It's the fact that in a semester you are taking 3, 4, 5 classes that are all pouring in new information, that are all sharing new information that you have to acquire, understand. So it's gonna be challenging and tough, right? So no matter what math or no matter what subject you think you're good at, it's still gonna challenge you. That's the purpose of it. Don't shy away from it. Just accept it, right? Embrace the pressure, right? It's gonna be you're gonna have to deal with a lot of pressure, and learn to stay, learn to just have to deal with it and stay calm, and just get through every class, get through every topic, even the ones that you're uncomfortable with. So it's the whole point, right? Because when you get out of school and you actually go into the workforce, you're gonna have to do a lot of things that maybe similar to what someone else have done, but every project, every challenge, even if it's the similar concepts, right? You use the same concepts. Each situation is going to be unique, right? Each situation is going to be unique, and it's going to have unknowns, and you have to learn how to deal with those. You have to learn how to address them, and come up with contingencies and prepare for things that can go wrong that you hadn't anticipated. Be open to learning, and when you get hit and when you get punched in the face, understand it's part of it, right? You're supposed to learn what to do once you get punched in the face. So yeah, don't let that discourage you as well, right? You may come in with, okay, I think I'm good in this, so this is gonna be a piece of cake, but then you're shocked it's not. You don't let that discourage you. Still go through it. Eventually you'll get through it, and you're gonna be successful. All right, like I said before, if you found this helpful, make sure you hit the thumbs up button, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.